Hello, welcome back to our videos tutorial series. In this video we'll discuss about the multicast delegates. We already discussed our normal delegates where we can send or take the reference of a method. So this is our second video. You already have a video, so if you have not watched that, please watch that one, then you can understand this particular video. So in this video we'll discuss about the multicast delegates. So what is the multicast delegates? Multicast delegates can hold references to more than one method. So in our previous video we saw that how you can pass the method to a delegate, and on that time we use only one method. But in this case a multicast delegate can hold references to more than one method. So how we can do that, we will discuss that one. So when a multicast delegate is invoked, when the multicast delegate is invoked, it calls the methods in order they are added in the delegate itself. So you can see that we have the delegate here. The name of the delegate is notify, and in this case it's not taking any kind of parameter. So it's not having any kind of parameter, or it is non-parameterized delegates. So we already know that a delegate can have the parameter as well, so you can see our previous video for that. Okay, now also you can see we have a method. First one is the send message, okay, and another method is the log method. And we already know that the delegates, return type of the delegates and the return type of the method should be same, and whatever the signature or the parameter will be there, that should be same. So in that case it's having the blank. So that's why you can see that this method also don't have any kind of parameter, as well as for this log method it's not having any kind of parameter. Okay, now in the main method you can see that we are creating or instantiating the delegate itself, and we are assigning a value send message to it. Okay, so notify is nothing but our delegate, so we are creating the object and we are assigning the value of the send message to itself. Okay, we know that delegate can hold the reference of a function or the method, so that's why it can hold the reference of the send message. Also, if you want to add another reference to this particular delegate, then you have to use the plus equal operator. Via this you can also add the reference of the log method as well to the notify itself. Now if you want to execute the delegate itself, on that case you can invoke directly. Now in this case, as the delegate is not taking any parameter or the methods also not having any parameter, so we are sending it's nothing or the blank itself without any parameter. Now whenever you will execute this particular delegate, so it will give you the output of this particular message. It will give this message, and after that it will give this message, because it invokes the function in order they are added. So first we have added the send message and then we have added the log, so that's why it will invoke the send message at first, then it will invoke the log, and the output will be in this fashion: send message send and then log entry created. So now let me copy this code over here and I'll paste in my Visual Studio, and I'll show you that and the output that this particular program is actually giving. Okay, so as you can see that we are in the Visual Studio. Now I'll paste the code over here and I'll save my code and I'll execute it. So let me build it. Once the build will be completed, I'll execute the code. Okay, now you can say our build completed successfully. Now I'll execute my code by clicking over here. You can see that it's giving the output send message send, and then it's calling the log entry created. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.